Alright guys, so today I will teach you how to get a Top Troops modded version unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So let's get into the guide and I will show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do is go to hexmods.com and type in Top Troops. And as you can see, it should come up. So go ahead and press on it, press download. And before it downloads, there'll be one more step, the verification step. So on this step, we got to download some apps and completions. They're 100% free. And they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you how to do it. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps. There's going to be around 4 of them. You only have to download 2 of them though, and make sure you read the instructions. You see the golf game says reach level 10, Family Island says reach level 10. So you just press tap to install on whatever app you want, and it'll bring you to the app store, and then you just got to download it. So I'm in the United States right now, so if you're in another country, the apps vary, but that's fine. So just download 2 of them. I did the Family Island one, got to reach level 10, pretty simple. So anyway guys, after you do the verification, you will get your Top Troops hack. It is super insane and it fully updated. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and it totally works. So yeah, I'm not trying to be rude, but like why would you play the normal game? You can get the modded version. All we gotta do is complete the verification, guys. It's so easy. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because it fully works. I'm not interested in being poor in Top Troops. It's not really fun to play if you're poor, but yeah, this is super crazy. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Just do that verification and you guys should be all set. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to tell all your friends about it because this is super cool. So updated and everything. So peace out guys, this is so awesome, bro. Look at that. Oh, ho, ho.